Guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you what is inside of my MaryKay starter kit box. So, it is the box looks like, and it's so heavy. Yan. Yan. So, first things you can see is the receipt, of course. And we have a paper here. Okay. Magazine. And this one. Yeah. Then, we have, oh, this is just like this. You have also pen. Yeah, so here is we have a face towel or disposable facial cloth. Yeah, here to wipe your face. We have this disposable tray. We have also a lot of makeup sample. Here is 1, 2, 3 plastic, yeah, but each plastics have like each plastic have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sample here. Yeah. So for anyone who wants to try, we have this makeup sample. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 mirrors. Wow, cool. Yeah, let's see. Oh, like this. Wow. There we go. Yeah. Then we have smudger for the eyeshadow. This one. And mascara brush. And also, oh, this one. We have MaryKay satin hand pampering set. When you try this, your hand is gonna be super soft, especially right now the winter is coming, so your skin is gonna be dry, especially your hands. So this one is good. Scrub, protecting softener, hand cream. Yeah. And if you join until September 30, you're gonna have a free product. It is this one. It's very good. It's just like worth 70, I think it's $50 retail value. So you're gonna have a free you're gonna have a free foundation primer, eye corrector, foundation primer, eye corrector, then sponge. Wait, baby. Yeah. Blending sponge, and also translucent loose powder. Try ko nga ito. White lang siya. Yeah. And you're gonna have this free product. So it is worth $73.50 retail value. So we have also CC cream, corrector cream, sunscreen, SPF 15. Yeah. We also have mascara. And we have one set, MaryKay TimeWise. We have a set of TimeWise. This one is eye cream. Eye cream. We have day cream. Day cream. It is really good. Night cream for the face. Night cream. Also, we have 4-in-1 facial cleanser. Age minimize 3D. I heard a lot of good things about this. This is oil-free eye makeup remover. Dry to oily skin. Yeah. Makeup remover. Also, we have, what is this? Miracle Set 3D. The Go Set. Oh, meron, we have a travel kit. Okay, wow. We have this one, very cute. Petit. It's 4-in-1 cleanser. This one is cleansers. Night cream. Oh, this one is really super cute. Yeah, this eye cream. Cute. And day cream. So it's good. So when you travel, you're gonna bring only this. Oh. Is travel kit. So next, so we have the foundation finder tool. So you will see this different color. You will see what color is the best, what foundation color is the best for you. See. And we have box. It is the party start here. Okay. Also, we have a MaryKay book.
She's MaryKay. Yeah. So the life and timeless principle of the founder of MaryKay. And also, a lot of
Brochure here.
too much left. Then we have also this one.
Customer profile.
If you invite some people to your party, try your makeup, yes, customer profile. So also we have the
Receipt. Yes, the receipt. This one.
set up your binder so the rings are at the top. Okay, for the binder. Okay, and I'll get another magazine. Ready to sell? Okay, looks like brochure. You will see the price here. And this is the binder. This one looks good. The binder, so okay. Yes.
Oh, this one is the most I like. We have a MaryKay big bag. Here, the big bag, it's nice. You see inside, it's colorful. It's nice. Yeah. See? It's nice. Nice one. So that's it. This is what inside of 2019 MaryKay starter kit box. Definitely it costs $85. If you join the MaryKay, you're gonna pay at $85, and you're gonna get about 400 worth of products. So it's really cool. It's a big stuff. If you want to join, please, I'm gonna put my email in my description box. just email me, or and I'm gonna put my Facebook page. Thank you for watching to my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, see you soon to my next video. Bye!